Hello friends, welcome to H2 Diamond Academy. In the last lecture we have discussed up to question number 20. So we will discuss question number 21 onwards in this particular lecture. So basically we are discussing the problems on the symmetric group. So let's start our discussions. What is given in question number 21? How many elements of order 5 are there in S7? Okay, so S7 is nothing but all the bijections. S7 contains all the bijections from a 7 element set. 7 element set to a 7 element set that form a group under operation composition of functions. So the total number of elements in S7 is nothing but 7 factorial. So we have the elements of S7 are like this. This is F1, F2, F3, like this. 7 factorial elements are there, and these elements form a group under operation composition of functions. So we have to select those elements from this set which are of order 5. Order 5 वाले elements हमें इसमें select करना है. Okay, so let us recall that order of an element is equal to length of cycle. Okay, order of the element written in cycle form. Okay, so let us consider a k cycle like this: a1, a2, a3, like this. So this is nothing but a k cycle. Suppose this is sigma, so order of sigma is equal to length of that cycle, that is k. Okay, तो हमें यहाँ क्या लेना है? Element of order 5. So let us write down an element like this: a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. This is nothing but a 5 cycle, है ना? Let us take this as alpha. So order of alpha will be 5. So we have to select those elements among these. We have to select those elements among this set which are of order 5. So let us solve this. Let us take an. So we have the elements will come from this particular set. Okay, so we have the set like this. So the mapping in S7 will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 element set to 7 element set. Okay, so this is nothing but the bijection. Okay, so all these bijections will come into a S7. Okay, so we have to select those elements of S7 that are of order 5. So let us take an element of order 5 like this. So we have the elements will belong to this particular set. Okay, so let us take the elements like this: a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 times of. So the total there will be 7 elements. So a6 and a7. So this is nothing but a 5 cycle. This is nothing but a cycle of length 1 cycle. This is also a 1 cycle. Okay, so generally we do not write down the cycle of length 1. So this is nothing but the element of 5 cycle will be like this: a1, a2, a3, a4 and a5. Okay, so like this element will be like this. Let us proceed further. So we have the order of we have to find the order of elements. We have to find the number of elements of order 5. Okay, so we have the elements like this: a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. Okay, and these particular letters, these are 5 letters. So these particular letters belongs to a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so this is a 7 element set. So these letters a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 will come from this particular set. Okay, so a1 can be selected in. Let us find the ways of selection of these elements. So a1 can be selected in 7 ways. It is clear. तो a1 की जो वैल्यू है 1 भी हो सकता है, 2 भी हो सकता है, 3 भी हो सकता है, 4 भी हो सकता है, 5 भी हो सकता है, 6 भी हो सकता है, 7. तो 7 वेज से सेलेक्ट किया जा सकता है. A2 को कैसे सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं? तो A1 को हमने सेलेक्ट कर लिया ऑलरेडी. दिस इज ऑलरेडी सेलेक्टेड. सो वी हैव one element is also already taken from this. So left are 7 minus 1, that is 6 ways. A3 can be selected in. ठीक है, तो 2 elements already यूज हो चुका है, तो कितना बचा? 5 ways. ठीक है, तो A1, A2, A3 को असाइन हो चुका है ऑलरेडी, तो A4 कितना हो जाएगा? 4 ways ना. मतलब कि अब देखो 4 एलिमेंट सेलेक्ट हो चुके हैं, तो A5 कितना होगा? आउट ऑफ 7 4 आर already selected, so let's left is only 3 ways. Okay, so A1 can be selected in 7 ways, A2 can be selected in 6 ways, A3 can be selected in 5 ways, A4 can be selected in 4 ways, A5 can be selected in 7 ways. ठीक है, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ वेज क्या हो जाएगा? टोटल नंबर ऑफ वेज क्या हो जाएगा? देखो, 7 इंटू 6 इंटू 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 3। ठीक है, अब देखो क्या हो रहा है कि दीज एलिमेंट्स आर इन ना साइकिल फॉर्म में है ना, A1 A2 A3 A4, A4 A5। तो ये क्या है, 5 साइकिल। सो एलिमेंट्स जो है, जो इस पर्टिकुलर सेट से निकल करके आ रहा है वो एक साइकिल फॉर्म में है। और हमने क्या देखा है कि इन साइकिल फॉर्म एलिमेंट्स written in this particular fashion A1 A2 A3 A4 A5 is same as element written in this particular fashion A2 A3 A4 A5 A1। अगर हमने A2 से स्टार्ट किया तो ये सेम होगा, ये भी सेम है, ये भी सेम है। दिस इज इक्वल टू, सपोज वी स्टार्ट विथ A3 A3 A4 A5 A1 A2। ठीक है, दिस इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज सेम एज सपोज वी स्टार्ट विथ A4, so A4 A5 A1 A2 A3। दिस इज इक्वल टू A5 से अगर स्टार्ट करें A5 से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो क्या होगा, A1 A2 A3 A4। तो ये जो 5 एलिमेंट्स है ना, 1 2 3 4 5, ये सारे सेम है। So we have to divide this total number of ways by 5 because these elements are already included in this total number of ways. In this calculation, these elements are already overlapped. So we have to divide this by 5. So this is nothing but 7 6 is 42 times of 12. So this is nothing but 504 total number of ways. So total number of elements of order 5 in S7 will be 504. There is one more method to solve this. This method is, so we have the elements of order 5 are in this particular fashion A1 A2 A3 A4 A5 like this. So these elements are selected from a set that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 element sets है ना. So let us use the concept of combination. So we have to select 5 elements from a 7 element set. So 7C5, this is the total ways of selection, and this is nothing but a cyclic permutation, and cyclic permutation is n minus 1 factorial. So 5 elements are there, so this is 5 minus 1 factorial. This is times of 5 minus 1 factorial. So this is equal to number of elements. So this is equal to 7 factorial upon 5 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial. Let us expand this. So this is 7 times of 6 times of 5 factorial upon 5 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2. So this gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. So this is nothing but 7 6 ja 42 times of 12. This is 504. Okay, so these are the two methods of solving such type of questions. So let us discuss question number 22. What is given in question number 22? Prove that 1 2 3 4 is not the product of 3 cycles. So let us find, let us take alpha as 1 2 3 4. Okay, so alpha क्या है, even है कि odd permutation है. Okay, so let us break this into transposition. So this is 1 4 1 3 and 1 2. So alpha has been disposed into a 3 number of transposition. This means alpha is an 3 is nothing but odd. Since alpha is broken into a odd number of transposition, therefore alpha is an odd permutation. Okay, now let us suppose alpha can be written as product of 3 cycles. Okay, so let us represent alpha as the product of 3 cycles. Okay, so alpha is equal to, let us represent alpha A1 A2 A3. This is nothing but a 3 cycle. A4 A5 A6 A7 A8 A9 like this. AM minus 2 AM minus 1 AM. Okay, so let us further break this into transposition. So this is A1 A3 A1 A2. Okay, like this. A4 A6 A4 A5 A7 A9 A7 A8 like this. This is AM minus 2 AM. This is AM minus 2 AM minus 1. Okay, so this 3 cycle has been broken into even number of transposition, that is 2 number of transposition. This is also 2 number of transposition. So 3 cycle has been broken down into two number of transposition like this. Similarly, this is also a two number of transposition. Okay, so total we have even number of transposition, even number of transposition. Okay, so we have, based on our assumption, we have disposed alpha into a even number of transposition. Okay, so based on this assumption, alpha is coming out to be a even permutation, but it is a contradiction because our alpha is nothing but a 4 साइकिल, और 4 साइकिल में क्या है, ये 4 क्या है तुम्हारा इवन है, तो इसका मतलब अल्फा क्या है, ऑड परमुटेशन। तो अल्फा क्या, और यहाँ से क्या आ रहा है, अल्फा इवन आ रहा है, हेंस आवर assumption इज रॉन्ग, एंड हेंस अल्फा is not the product of 3 cycle. Okay, now let us discuss question number 23, how we can solve this. So we have beta belongs to S7, ठीक है, और बीटा टू द पावर क्या दिया हुआ है, 2 1 4 3 5 6 7, so we have to find beta. समझ में आ रहा है? So beta to the power 4 is given as this one, 2 1 4 3 5 6 7. So let beta is equal to alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4, alpha 5, alpha 6, alpha 7. तो बीटा टू द पावर 4 क्या हो जाएगा, देखो यहाँ पे 4 लेटर छोड़ के अल्फा विल बी शिफ्टेड टू 5, alpha 2 will be shifted to alpha 6, alpha 3 will be shifted to alpha 7. So let us shift this, and these particular elements will shift to this here. So we have this as, so alpha 5 की जगह पे क्या आ रहा है, alpha 1, alpha 6 की जगह पे क्या आ रहा है, alpha 2, और अल्फ़ा 7 की जगह पे क्या आ रहा है, अल्फ़ा 3, और ये बाकी एलिमेंट्स यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे, अल्फ़ा 4, अल्फ़ा 5, अल्फ़ा 6, अल्फ़ा 7. ओके, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 1 4 3 5 6 7, ठीक है। और हमारा बीटा क्या है, बीटा इज इक्वल टू अल्फ़ा 1, सॉरी बीटा तो दिया भाई ना, अब देखो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा, अल्फ़ा 4 की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 2, अल्फ़ा 5 की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, देखो अल्फ़ा 5 इज इक्वल टू 1, अल्फ़ा 6 की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, अल्फ़ा 6 की वैल्यू 4, अल्फ़ा 7 की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 3, और 5 6 7, तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा अल्फ़ा 1 इज इक्वल टू 5, अल्फ़ा 2 इज इक्वल टू 6, अल्फ़ा 3 इज इक्वल टू 7। तो यहाँ से देखो बीटा की वैल्यू यहाँ से लिखो, तो अल्फ़ा वन क्या है 5, अल्फ़ा 2 क्या है 6, अल्फ़ा 3 क्या है 7, अल्फ़ा 4 क्या है 2, अल्फ़ा 5 क्या है 1, अल्फ़ा 6 क्या है 4, अल्फ़ा 7 क्या है 3, 5 6 7 2 4 1 3. So we have beta is equal to 5 6 7 2 1 4 3. This is beta. Okay. So we have discussed up to question number 23. We will discuss further questions in next particular lecture. Thank you.